What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MULN stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that David MICHERY keeps stealing the money from existing shareholders. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point when we broke this range of support that was basically quite strong at the first glance, but we also had a lot of bearish pressure from the fundamentals of this company, and this recent movement to the downside was the result of new acquisition of ELMS company. And on the one hand, we should consider this news as a bullish news, but on the other hand, this company, I mean Mullen Automotive, doesn't have enough money to pay for these two deals. First deal was the Mullen Motors, and second one is ELMS company. And right here, as you can see, we are still moving south, and we found this range that was previously as the range of support. It becomes a range of resistance. As you can see, we had very good touch right here and bounced to the downside. And right now, as you can see on this indicator, we are still in neutral territory, but the price is moving south. And it is quite bearish sign, and in my technical analysis I will show you what should we expect next, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news. And first of all, let me show you this article that was published just 9 hours ago, and it says CEO David MICHERY just received 46 million shares of MULN stock. And let me show you that he receives this amount of shares, and he gifted about 18 million shares. So he received a bit less than $10 million in value of the stock, and he gifted about $4 million. And why he gifted it? It's quite simple, because he's an insider, and definitely when he sells some of his shares, we can see right here that he made a sale. But right here, with this code, we can decide that this is just a gift, and nobody knows who received basically this gift. And if this person is affiliated with David MICHERY, he can immediately sell these stocks, and both of them can receive about $4 million. Definitely, it is the way to hide this selling, this insider selling. And let me show you another article that is quite interesting for those of you who don't know, but this is very obvious for people who makes their own due diligence. And the article is titled "Dilution Alert. Mullen has increased outstanding Mullen stock 900% in less than a year." And let me quote you this. Mullen Automotive, right after they completed the reverse merger with Net Element, had about 51.17 million shares issued and outstanding on fully diluted basis. As of August the 10th, there are 509.29 million shares outstanding, which means that shares outstanding have increased by 895% since the merger. And it is mind-blowing percentage. And let me show you that they have to pay $148.2 million plus $92 million for their two recent acquisitions. But the total value, the total market cap of Mullen Automotive is less than $120 million. And this means they acquired the companies that are worth more than Mullen Automotive costs. And it is very, very scary for existing shareholders. And let me quote you further. While shareholders have been suffering, MICHERY has been collecting free stock. On September 21st, MICHERY received 9.62 million shares priced at $0 as a part of CEO Performance Award package, which was approved at the annual meeting of stockholders. The following day, he sold 750,000 shares at an average price of 39 cents. The transaction marked the CEO's seventh separate sale of Mullen stock this year. And this is how he basically steals your money, the money from existing shareholders, and that's why you shouldn't invest in this company by any means. And let me quote you further. MICHERY is slated to receive even more shares upon completion of tasks highlighted in the CEO Performance Award package. These include 5% of all shares issued and outstanding if MULN enters into an agreement with the manufacturer or provider of equipment, accessory, feature or other product that sets the company or its vehicles apart from competitors or provides it with the first mover or disclosure advantage by the end of 2023. And basically we can see this acquisition with these two recent companies. Second, 2% of all shares issued and outstanding if MULN delivers its Class 1 van to customers for a pilot program under the captured fleet exemption by the end of December 2022. And by the way, guys, let me show you about this EV van. Right here, on July 11th, 2022, they posted this. Mullen Automotive signs a binding agreement with Del Pac Logistics LLC, an Amazon delivery service partner for Class 1 and 2 EV cargo vans. And I covered this news in one of my videos, and I've told you that Del Pac Logistics is an empty company that was created directly to confuse existing shareholders because it is an empty company. And right here you can see the first 300 fully homologated for the United States MULN Class 2 EV cargo vans can be delivered to DPL by November 30th, 2022 at the request of DPL. And right here you can see that we have not more than 1.5 months until this deadline. But let me show you this data. We are on importgenius.com, and this is the website that tracks the import from certain companies. And let me show you that from 2006 till present day, they imported just 2 times. One of these imports was 4 vehicles, and let me show you this right here. They imported 4 vehicles. As you can see, these are VIN numbers from Hubei Itai Trading, and this import was made in the middle of summer from Jamaica. So they have at least 4 vehicles, but the number of these vehicles are far away of 300 expected vehicles that should be delivered. So they don't have vehicles to sell, they don't have anything. And the only reason why this company is existing right now is to dilute existing shareholders. And here is the latest filing that was made just 2 days ago. And right here you can see that they started another shares offering. And here's the information. Our outstanding shares of convertible preferred stock contain anti-dilution protection, which may cause significant dilution to our stockholders. And here's some technical information, but I want to pay your attention on this sentence. The issuance of shares of common stock upon the conversion of such shares to preferred stock would dilute the percentage ownership interest of holders of our common stock, dilute the book value per share of our common stock, and increase the number of publicly traded shares, which could depress the market price of our common stock. So, and this is what we can see right now, and that's why you shouldn't invest in this company by any means. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to say that probably we might see some spike in price of this asset at the very end of November, on November 27th, when the strikingly different test drive should happen. And let me mark it like this. And until this line, we might see even lower prices for MULN, because right here we are in neutral territory on RSI, but the price itself is moving south. This means it is a hidden bearish divergence, and this means we might see much lower price action. That's why just stay aside from any trades, because I don't see basically any signs that we might see a bounce. And that's why, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go